Everybody, how are you? Today we will solve a lot of questions from المعاصر book. We will complete a lot of questions from Dramika. Question number 1 here. A body of mass 3 kilogram moves where its displacement vector is s equal t power 2 in direction I plus 5t in direction j under the action of force F, and is measured in meter, F in Newton, T in second, then the work done by this force after 3 seconds from string motion equals per joule. Okay, look at with me here. We know the work equal F multiplication by displacement. So work. And he give us displacement equal t power 2 plus 5t. We can find velocity derivative about displacement equal 2t and 5, and acceleration equal 2 and 0. We know force equal m multiplication by a. Then the force will be 3 times 2 and 0. The result will be 6 and 0. It's a force. Then the work equal 6 and 0 multiplication by displacement was t power 2 and 5t. Then the work will be equal 6t power 2 plus 0 equals 6t power 2. He tell us find the work after 3 seconds from string motion. We will get the work by put t equal 3, t equal 3, then work equal 6 times 9 equal 54 joule. Another question. A body moves in a straight line where algebraic measure of its velocity v equal t minus 1 multiplication 3 subtracted by t, then it reaches its maximum velocity after time equal. This word maximum velocity is meaning acceleration equals 0, because maximum velocity will get the number, and derivative about a number equals 0, or any number constant will be equal 0. So in this example we must put a equal 0. Can you find acceleration? Acceleration about this example, derivative about velocity, because v equal t minus 1 multiplication 3 minus t. We can find the result here using distributive properties. T times 3 equals 3t, and 3 times negative 1 equal negative 3. Negative t times t equal negative t power 2. Negative t times 1 equal t. Then acceleration equal here equal 9, or 3 minus 2t plus 1 equal 4 minus 2t. It's acceleration. He won't find what time. We know acceleration equals 0 because he tells us reaches its maximum velocity. Maximum velocity meaning acceleration equals 0. Then t will be equal what? T will be equal 2, because 4 minus 4 equals 0. Then the time will be equal 2. Choose letter C out of this example. Another question. Body of mass 200 grams is projected upwards and inclining smooth plane on the line greatest slope with velocity 30 centimeters per second. Then the change happened in potential energy of the body when its velocity become 18 centimeter. Okay, here beginning by velocity 30 centimeter per second and going to up by velocity 18 meter per second, and you want to find the change happened in potential energy. We know v dot here will be equal 18 or 13 centimeter per second, and velocity in the end 18 centimeter per second. And we know t plus p in any point will be constant. T plus p constant. So t plus p in the top equal t naught plus p naught in the beginning. We can find b subtract p naught equal t naught subtract by t equal half multiplication m multiplication v naught power 2 subtract v1 power 2. And you can use a calculator to find the result. The result will be what? 57,600 erg. Choose letter E about this example. Okay, understood? We get the information from the example. Don't change the unit because he won't find it in the erg. If you ask it about convert to Newton, you must convert from centimeter to meter and kilogram to kilogram to find the result. But he asked about erg. Okay, don't change the work or the unit in this example, so you must choose letter E about this example. Next question here. A car of mass 7 ton moves in horizontal way with constant velocity, it's meaning acceleration equals 0, okay? When the force is 140 kilogram weight, then the resistance for each ton of the mass of the car. Okay, the car moves in the horizontal, it's meaning force equal resistance. The resistance here equal what? Car 10. The motor resistance equal what? We know force equal M multiplication by E, and the resistance here for each car F equal M multiplication by acceleration. We have here the force of its motor 140 kilogram weight. 140 kilogram weight. He asked about the resistance of each mass. Okay, he asked about what? The resistance for each ton, for each mass. We can divide it 140 divided by number of what? Of ton. How many ton? We have 7 ton. So the result will be 140 divided by 7. It will be equal 20. The result will be letter B, 20 kilogram weight per ton. Choose letter B. Question 7. Next question here. If a body of mass 100 gram moves with velocity v equal 5 in direction I plus 12 in direction j, where the magnitude of velocity is measured in centimeter per second, then the kinetic energy of the body in air equal space. Okay, kinetic energy, it's meaning what? T equal half mv power 2. It's kinetic energy. So in this example, he gave us the velocity. We can find the norm about vector velocity by square root about 5 power 2 equal 25 and 12 power 2 equal 144 equal 169 will be equal 13. Then kinetic energy T equal half m v power 2. The weight here was 100 gram because you want the result in air. Okay, 100 gram multiplication by 13 power 2. By using calculator, the result will be 8,450 erg. Choose letter C.